Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about the increment and the decrement operator and its side effects. Incrementing, adding 1 to the value, and the decrementing like subtracting 1 from the value. A variable also common that they have their own operator in C++. There are actually two versions of each operator like decrement, a prefix version and the postfix version. Let's just see what is the prefix and postfix. Prefix is like you just write plus sign and then x. Okay, so this is called prefix, means you just write the increment operator before the integer, and if you write x plus, so this is called postfix. So this is our prefix and the postfix increment operator. Let's just see prefix and postfix decrement operator. So minus x and x minus. So this is our prefix and this is our postfix. Let's just see the coding example of that. Integer x which is equal to 5 and integer y which is equal to plus x. So x is now equal to the value of x, and now the x value here is 6. So 6 is assigned to this y here. Okay, so this is called simply the prefix of increment operator. Now we just see the side effect of this operator. So a function or expression is said to have a side effect if it modifies some state. For example, any stored information in memory, does input or output, or calls other functions that have the side effect. So let's just see the example, like we have integer x which is equal to 5. So I just write x which is equal to 5 and then prefix of x. Then I just write std and then cout which is less than x. So the assignment operator in this example has the side effect of changing the value of x permanently. So this is simply the side effect of changing the value of x permanently even after the statement has finished. Excluding means executing x will have the value of 5. Operator plus has the side effect of incrementing x. The outputting of x has the side effect of modifying the console. Let's just see the example of that increment and the decrement operator in C++. So here I just define hash include and an input output stream here. Now here I start using namespace and std. Now the main function here, it's a main function here, and in the main function I just write integer I which is equal to 5 and then cout which is I just write here plus as a prefix, and then I just print that plus sign of I. So I plus which is equal to plus of I means prefix of the increment operator for I which is the variable here. So I just run this code right now and check the output that it's changing the value or not. So you can see here plus I which is equal to 6, so it will add the one value with 5. So if I just create this decrement operator here, so here minus sign, and simply run this code and save this code and run this code right now. It's not taking so right now I just print this and you can see here the expected output for minus and it will decrease the one value from 5. So this is simply the postfix and the prefix is increment and decrement operator in C++. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture or regarding to increment and decrement operators, please let me know. Thanks for watching this lecture.